Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Sellfy, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you create a product bundle on Sellfy? But let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put together a product bundle on Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products, you know that if you can bundle a group of products together, it can increase your average order value. For the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now, the strange thing about Sellfy is they don't have an actual button to create a bundle. It's all handled under the products. And the reason for that is because on Sellfy, you can actually upload more than one PDF. You can upload more than one video file. So to create a bundle on Sellfy, basically you're going to be adding in a lot of different products, and then you're going to name it as a bundle. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here on the left side, you want to click on products. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, add new product. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and you can see none of them say bundle, but you want to choose this one right here, digital product. Okay, I'm not going to go into the details on how to create a product sales page. However, what I want to let you know is here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and browse your computer, and you're going to add all the files that you're selling this bundle with. If you already have those in their own single product categories, you can click right here, select from uploaded. Okay, you can see all of my products that I have currently in my Sellfy. So to create a bundle, what we're going to do is go ahead and choose the products. So I'll choose this one, and this one. So we're going to have a bundle with 3 different products, and I'm going to click add selected. Okay, now you can see the product files. I have 3 of them in this one listing. And now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and we're going to name this product. So if this is a taco recipe, and this is a Chinese food recipe, and this is an Italian food recipe, I might name this bundle International Recipe Bundle, because all 3 of those products are now bundled together. And then you can go ahead and write a description, something like, this is a bundle of our best recipes all bundled into one with one particular price. So if I'm selling these for $100, $100, and $100, we're going to go ahead and incorporate that into the price. So we're going to scroll all the way down until we get here to price settings, and make sure you're working in the correct currency. And then 3 of those products together separate might be $300, but since we're bundling it together, maybe we can do a discount. We're going to do $200 for the bundle of 3. Once you've created your bundle, click on save product. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes into all products, and now you can see we have our International Recipe Bundle for $200. And you want to click on these 3 dots here to the right. Once you click there, click on share. Okay, so here is our product bundle link. So we can go ahead and copy that and share it on a Facebook post or wherever you normally share with your viewers. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to create a product bundle in Sellfy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.